These people are going to skydive. They board an aeroplane. The plane will fly up to 3,000 meters high. The skydivers now jump out of the plane. Watch their motion. The skydivers first accelerate downwards, but they soon fall at a constant speed. It is called the terminal speed. Why do the skydivers fall with a constant speed? They open their parachutes and their terminal speed is much reduced. This allows them to land on the ground safely.